We're going to get a lot done this week, and I'm going to take you along with me. We're going to start out with some food plots. I got to get these done. I got to get them planted. We're not going to get them planted in today, but I need to get these cut up. I got 3 of them I need to do. And stick around to the end because check out the pavilion build. Guys, the deck is turning out amazing. I'm going to venture to guess you'll never see another deck like this on the internet. All right, guys, without further ado, here's today's video. Oh, and by the way, happy birthday, Jill. Today's her birthday. It looks really good, but I want to show you something. I'm not going to get too close, but there's the deer blind about 30 feet there. But right in front of it, there's a ground hornet nest. How do I know? Found it last weekend. Oh, there's my buddy's glasses. So see that hole right there is the nest. He got hit 4 times. So I'm going to stay away from that. I don't see where they're going in, but I'm not getting any closer. It's really hard to believe summer's winding down. So this will get all rye. We might put something else in it this year. Okie dokie. Artichoke. But I still put a shrink tube over it as well. Oh, come on out of there.
That does. Both of them do. Both of them do. Right blinker, left blinker, brakes.
18 feet, 10 inches. They're not the best looking logs, but they will make some nice boards. And what this is going to be fence rail for my deck around the outside. And a couple more uprights I need. So you can see there's some checking, but this is all maple. So there should be some nice spalting in it, I suspect. The reason I'm also doing this now is because this tractor has some service that's scheduled to be done on it next week. And I think it's going to be, they'll probably have it a week or so. They said if we can get it dropped off, they can get to it. It's just routine service that we're going to have done. Some of it I can do myself, and I was going to do it, but I'm just going to take it in. All right, what's next on the agenda? So we'll get those cut up, and that will be it for now.
There we go.
I am so happy this part of the job is done onto the railings. We do have some more deck work we have to do. I have some more stairs to put in. The other day off camera, I did that set of steps with some old lumber, but it's turning out really well. Actually, I'm pretty impressed. These aren't as rotted as I thought they were going to be. The other ones are pretty bad. I have some to fix. A little rotten here. So we'll fix all that. Some oak, white oak. Blew out a corner right here. We got to fix that corner. We got some rot here. And here we'll address. That'll be it. The rest will be joist taped and covered up. Cool. Next project. Let's go dump all this stuff. I'm processing the step boards now. These are all leftovers that I picked through, so they're not the best boards, but we're gonna make them work. I'll be able to cut off most of the bad parts. So for instance, this board didn't get run through the planer until it was completely planed down, or the thickness, due to the fact that it was getting thin. So on that end, there's about 1.5 feet of non-plane material that I will have to hit with a sander. Okay. That's all I've got. There's just enough. Wonder if we can get another one in there. It's coming out though. I think that's all I'm going to get out. So that will do it. Like about this much reveal here.